Hey guys, James Danley, Tuesday Tours are back. Today we're gonna go do a walkthrough on one of Hunter Roberts' newest completed homes, 701 Wimbleton. Excellent quality construction. All the bedrooms are en suite, attached two-car garage, great lot size, excellent neighborhood. You know, one of the only really high quality move-in ready homes under $1.8 million right now. It's new construction in Birmingham. So can't wait. Let's go take a look. Hey guys, just wrapped up 701 Wimbleton. Excellent design. The trim, the millwork, the doors, the floor plan. Amazing house, very well built. 4,000 square feet. All the bedrooms are en suite. You have another 1,000 in the basement. Good yard space. Front two-car attached garage. I mean, it's everything you could want for under $1.8 million. It's not going to last long. There's not a lot of new construction that actually gets to be completed before it sells in Birmingham. So if you're looking under that $2 million mark, this is a must-see. Call, text, or DM us today to schedule your private showing.